I'm back with a new video. This is my new Acer Switch 110. So basically I bought this unit from Flipkart around a month ago. I just wanted to share how this particular laptop is. So it has an Intel Atom X5 Z8300 processor, okay, with a 2 GB RAM, which is kind of a low voltage memory, and a 32 GB inbuilt storage, and a 500 GB hard disk drive as well, 2 megapixel front and 2 megapixel rear camera, and a 2 cell battery. So basically, this is the box which I got it inside. So let me show you the box. So this is the box I got it inside, and as you can see, it says Switch 10. Inside this, I don't have anything here. I'll show you the charger which came inside. This is the adapter, guys. So this adapter which came inside, and apart from that, we just had some user manuals and stuff. So I'll just put these things aside, and let me show you the MRP of this device, which is mentioned over here. So if you check the MRP which is mentioned, let me quickly focus on this. So the MRP which is mentioned is 22,999. You'll be finding the MRP over here. So basically, yeah, but I got it for around 12,000. So this is a device, Acer Switch 10. I'll just make sure the focus is on. Yes, got the focus here. So basically this is a device, and let me just open this. This is how the keyboard looks, guys, and this is the screen over here. As you can see, it is a IPS screen. It's not a full HD, but it's a 1280 by 800, and this is a convertible laptop. So if you can see over here, so basically there are two magnets over here and over here. So using that we can connect it. It runs Windows 10, so that's pretty good. And this is how it looks. As you can see, the build quality is pretty nice on this one. And this is the keyboard, which also houses the 500 GB hard disk drive. I'll be I'll be showing you a complete review of this. Not currently, I just wanted to give you an overview of this one, and then I'll be posting a complete review of this particular laptop. Let me know if you have any particular questions or particular to this particular device, and I'll be happy to answer. So this is the configuration. As you can see here, Windows 10, it has 2 GB and 32-bit operating system out here, and the internal memories, I'll just show you the memory out here. So as you can see, I have 32 GB over here. In that the available space was about 28, and I have 450 GB free out of the 465 GB which is there for the hard drive, which is inside this part basically. So guys, it's a really value for money for this particular price point, which is this laptop is available in. Certainly I would suggest you to you can go for it, just in case if you're looking for a device for media consumption. So far it's been working pretty well for me, and I hope that it will continue to serve my purpose for which I'm using it for. So that's it, guys. That's all from my end. Also, if you need a device which you need to carry outside, basically, it can be for data transfer or for browsing internet or movies, things like that. You can certainly do that. So I'll just go into YouTube and I'll just show you how it looks. So I'm using it in tablet mode right now. As soon as you connect it to this particular system, it will change to a desktop interface. Let me just show you how this works. So just link it here. So that's it. Now if you see, I have complete control using this mouse pad basically. Let me just focus on the screen out here. Yep. So this is how it is. So this is a desktop mode, guys. As you can see, it's pretty snappy, and this can be used. I would not suggest this for regular use, but yeah, you can certainly use it for data consumption. So far it's been giving me a good service, and I'm kind of satisfied with the way this is performed. Yeah, that's all from my end. If you have any questions about this particular device, do let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Like always, take care, have a good day ahead, and do subscribe this channel. If you want to help me, please go ahead. Thanks for your time, and have a good day. Take care, guys. Bye.